What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are doing Supreme Hard Courts 3-boxer. Let's open this up. Here we go. Oh, these aren't even, look, they don't have even no tape on these. Alright, first up, Magic Johnson out of 65. Magic Johnson. That goes to Michael or Paul. For Jordan. I've never seen that, but I mean, anything's possible. This is sweet. I wasn't expecting him in this uniform. But how about Vince Carter? 11 of 15 in a Grizzly uniform. It's a Grizzly uniform with the Sacramento, but it don't matter. It's 11 of 15 NBA autographs. Vince Carter. Jay Berger, that's a sweet. Man, I love Vince Carter. That dude was so good. I wish he would like put Vinsanity or something. Ooh, damn, that's another good one right here. How about AI out of 99? AI, Jennifer Macri. That's sweet. That is so cool. Next. Well, how about AI? Quad jerseys, NBA relics. Jennifer Macri. Two left. Oh, wow. Another good one. How about Larry Bird? Yeah, Corey, I do. After a while, I fill up my phone in like a week. Larry Bird. Who's K Wood? Oh, it's always abbreviations, and I never know who the hell names are because they're always abbreviated. Who's K Wood? Where's this breakhead? Is it Kyle Wood? Kyle Wood. Abbreviations, dropping it. Kyle Wood, Larry Bird, sweet hit. Last one. Wow. How about a Magic quad? 2 Magics. 2 AIs. A Larry. And a Vinsanity. Nice. Who was Magic? That was Michael. Cool. All right, let's do the giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A free spot. Goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Matt Duke. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Todd Silver and Chris Hope goes into Lanyap. There we go. I do. Alright guys, congrats. That is the break. Congratulations. I'll be right back. Here you go.